I admit, I very much dislike marketing emails, but that's because I've received the lousy batch too many times. Most of them resulted from the 5 email marketing mistakes I'll share with you in this video. Stay tuned for mistake number 5, as you should never make it. Hello and welcome to Mailtrap videos, where we explore the world of emails. Mistake number 1, sending emails to people who have already unsubscribed. Not only is this a surefire way to annoy customers, but it's also against spam laws and ruins your sender reputation. Such mistakes are very hard to recover from, especially if it's a pattern rather than a one-time slip-up. For example, an Australian retailer, Kmart, sent 200,000 emails to recipients who had already unsubscribed. Unsurprisingly, consumers complained, which led to the Australian Communications and Media Authority to open an investigation. Kmart had to pay a $1.3 million fine and apologise publicly for the incident.
You had one job.
Just the one.
Mistake number 2, making it hard for users to unsubscribe. It's mandatory to include an unsubscribe option, preferably a link, in your marketing and bulk emails. But that's not the whole story. Those links should be easy to access and not require more than one step to opt out. It's also recommended to make those links clearly visible by using contrasting font colors or backgrounds. And no, recipients shouldn't have to hire private detectives to locate it. There was another incident, well, actually a couple of incidents, in Australia. Commonwealth Bank of Australia sent over 61 million marketing emails to customers that unlawfully required them to log in to unsubscribe. They got fined more than $3.5 million. CBA had other violations too, such as sending 4 million marketing emails without a working unsubscribe function, and sending more than 5,000 emails to customers who had asked to unsubscribe.
Not demure.
Speaking of subscriptions, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. We won't annoy you like the companies we've mentioned. Plus, we have multiple helpful email marketing tutorials to make your life easier, improve your sender reputation, and boost your deliverability. And more are on the way.
Thank you.
Alright, back to the email marketing mistakes that you should avoid at all costs. Mistake number 3, sending the same promotional email too many times. Customers who consent to receive your marketing emails do want to hear about those sales or offers you have for them, but that doesn't mean you should repeatedly send the same email without tracking their behaviour. I've personally been the victim of this mistake. I was an Amazon Prime customer, and they tried to cross-sell their Amazon business account with all the shiny features and benefits. From December 2023 to June 2024, I received the exact same email 18 times, even though I never clicked it or engaged with it any other way. I'd received the offer 3 to 4 times a month. The end result? I unsubscribed from receiving all kinds of marketing emails from Amazon.
So in your face, Ryan!
Mistake number 4, not testing the automated templates before sending them to subscribers. This mistake leads to messed up subject lines, broken personalization, unresponsive designs, and all that good stuff. Most importantly, it makes your emails look exactly like unnecessary spam. My local revenue service sent me an automated email with a broken subject line and a from name. Most likely, it was because the subject line and from name weren't in English. This could have been easily avoided had they tested the template before sending it to me. And this isn't a matter of aesthetics. Emails with gibberish subject lines are likely to go straight in the spam folder, or the recipient could mark them as spam, as they wouldn't understand who they came from.
Hey, Mr. Warnick.
It's the weekend, Budnick. I don't know you. You do not exist.
Mistake number 5, not understanding your target audience. This is probably the most detrimental mistake of all, as it ruins your brand perception, distances you from your audience, and reduces conversion rates. And obviously, you can forget about any return on investment. Ulta Beauty once sent an email that was supposed to promote Kate Spade's line of perfumes. The choice of words in the subject line was insensitive, to say the least, as Kate Spade lost their life to suicide. Unsurprisingly, this caused a lot of backlash. Ulta Beauty not only failed to understand the brand they were promoting, but they also failed to consider how offensive and triggering the subject line would be to their audience. And all of that during Mental Health Awareness Month. That's all for today, but not for email marketing mistakes. One of them is failing to deliver your emails to your subscribers. Watch our dedicated video to learn how much money you lose with every undelivered email. We'll see you there.